Have you ever felt like you have the skills, the experience, and the knowledge, but you're still underpaid, overlooked, or stuck in the same position? You're not alone. Millions of professionals today are overqualified, yet undervalued. But the real reason might surprise you. Being overqualified doesn't automatically make you valuable. Why? Because the market doesn't reward skills alone. It rewards visible impact and positioning. You may have multiple certifications, years of experience, or advanced technical knowledge. But if employers or clients can't clearly see the business value you create, your expertise becomes invisible. In simple terms, skills without positioning often look like ordinary experience. There are 3 common reasons highly skilled people become undervalued. 1. You are selling skills instead of outcomes. Companies don't buy skills, they buy results. For example, instead of saying, "I know Python and machine learning," say, "I build machine learning systems that reduce operational costs and automate decision-making." Outcomes create value. 2. Your work is invisible. Many talented professionals focus only on doing the work. But the people who get promoted showcase their work. They publish ideas. They share insights. They demonstrate expertise publicly. Visibility multiplies value. 3. You're in the wrong market. A skill that pays $50,000 in one industry may pay $200,000 in another. Sometimes the problem is not your talent, it's where you are applying it. If you feel overqualified and undervalued, focus on 3 moves. Translate your skills into business outcomes. Build public proof of expertise. Position yourself in higher value markets. Value is not just what you know, it's how clearly the market sees your impact. Being overqualified is not the problem. Being invisible, poorly positioned, or in the wrong market is. Fix the positioning, and the value will follow. I am Lawrence. Visit Skilldential.com to decode high-level career skills through urban systems logic. I'll see you in the next video.